How to log in X. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into the video. Firstly, you will have to launch your X application or your Twitter application. Now in here you will see two of the options, that is continue with Google or create an account. You have to select a language if you select the manual option. Then to create your account, go ahead and enter your name, your email address and date of birth. For your convenience, I'm helping you throughout the way. Now once you are done, tap on Next. Moving on, you have to enter a code sent to your email address to verify that it is really you. Once you enter the code, select Next. Now enter a password. Make sure it is 8 characters or more. Then tap on Sign Up. Select a profile picture or you can skip it for now. Then select a username for yourself. Don't worry, you can add manually and you can even change it whenever you want. Now on to the final step, allow the permission the application asks for you. You can grant them the permission or simply decline it depending upon your preference. So once you are done with all the permission, you can go ahead and follow the accounts of your preference. You can follow one or more for starter. Now once you are done from here, select the next option. And just like that, you have logged in or created your X account. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.